A lot of you have been asking, does it come with a tongue scraper? Actually, yes, we have been putting tongue scraper with our oil pulling bottle because it's an important part of the regimen. Whenever you oil pull, you're actually loosening the biofilms in your mouth, the biofilms on top of your enamel as well as on the top of your tongue. Most of you already have a toothbrush, although we plan to give a toothbrush also so that you can have the entire gamut. So when you brush after oil pulling, you're actually mechanically removing the biofilm. But to mechanically remove the biofilm but on top of your tongue, it is best suited if you use a tongue scraper. So earlier we were giving copper tongue scraper, but lately we've decided to actually use steel tongue scraper. So please do expect one. We had a little time period in between the COVID days when we couldn't get the supplies. So at that time we gifted you something else instead so that you at least get something else instead. So in case you feel that you've been cheated by any chance by not having the tongue scraper, please feel free to email contact@gurunanda.com and we will be immediately sending you a tongue scraper instead. Thank you so much.